what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, back again with a new video. You guys just saw me install this hair from Freetress. This is their Rebel Boho Mermaid Loc. So this is what the packaging looks like. This color y'all see right here, this is their HT Cinnamon, and I am wearing HTSCOTCH. So I was sent 6 packs. I only ended up using 5 because I don't want it to look super full that it looks fake, if that makes sense. So I only use 5 packs. The hair is 24 inches and it's 3X. So basically when it's 3X, that means that there's 3 bundles in a pack. 1, 2, 3. If it's 2X, it's only 2 bundles in a pack. So this is how long the hair comes on me. It's super long, y'all. Super duper long. Okay, so this is about the same length, I want to say, as the Rebel Boho braid. 15 strands come in a pack, and I don't know how much it costs, but I'm pretty sure it's probably right up neck and neck with the Rebel Boho twist and the Rebel Boho braid. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like up close. I did struggle pulling some of them through, which freaking sucked. Okay, it really sucked. I'm not gonna lie about that. I have like probably 3 strands left of other pack, but this is just what the hair looks like up close. And it's kind of tough to pull through. Like, I have thinner hair, so my braids are gonna be thinner, but I didn't braid my braids loose. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of bulky up here. So what I did was did you see it come down? So I just pulled it down a little bit. You won't mess up the hair, but I pulled it down just to pull it, to make this part smaller so it was easier to pull it through, if that makes sense. So now it looks a lot smaller, but some strands have a curl, some strands don't. But what I found with this Freetress hair is it doesn't get old super quick. Even though it's synthetic hair, if you maintenance it properly, like, not all the strands have these curls, so it's kind of easier to maintain. So I just go through, detangle it, put a little bit of mousse on there, and it's good. So yeah, now I'm gonna rate the hair so far that I've tried, because as you guys know, I tried the Rebel Boho twist. I tried that one first. I tried the Rebel Boho braid second, and then now I'm trying the Rebel Boho Mermaid Loc. To rate them, I'm gonna say that the braid was my favorite. The braid was the easiest to install. It was easier to do styles with that hair, if it makes sense. It was just, when I take this out, I'm highly considering doing the HT Cinnamon in that, because that hair, it's gonna be my summer hair, because it was just freaking amazing. It was easy to install, easy to maintain, easy to do all, like, I did so many different styles with that hair. I just loved it. So yeah, but yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Leave them down in the description box. Also, let me show y'all the back of my hair, because when I did the twist, I didn't show the back of my hair. And somebody was like, girl, I wish you would have showed it. So this is what it looked like, and I do not know what it looked like. So if it looked crazy, can y'all tell me if it looked crazy? Because I don't know. I don't never look at the back of my head when I do these styles, okay? So I need help. I need y'all to tell me if it looked messed up, because I can't be walking around here looking messed up, y'all know. So anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I'm trying to get to 6K. We've been sitting at that 5K for too long, and I need to push them numbers up, okay? So share this video, tell your friends, tell everybody that it's a girl out here that's doing helpful tutorials on hair, mainly crochet braids, because them are just the easiest. So if you can't braid, you can do crochet hairstyles. So just want to put that out there. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys. Go check out my other videos too. See y'all in the next video.